Hello, I am Lion.
And I'm Miss Madeline, and welcome to Speech Around the House. Today, we're going to show you some speech that you can just do around your house. So, before we get started, I want to talk to you about how you can best use a topic board. So, today we're going to do three main things. The first thing we're going to do is model language. So that means when I say something, I'm also going to point to what I say on the topic board. So for example, look, Lion, I see a flower. The second thing I'm going to do is prompt Lion using the topic board if he doesn't know the answer. So for example, Lion, what is that? So I pointed to the word flower. And the last thing I'm going to do
F-O-E-R
is expand upon Lion's utterances. So that means if he says
flower,
I can add more to that. So I can say, yes, I see a yellow flower. Or, yes, Lion, it's a big purple flower. So, let's get started. We're going to find some signs of spring. You ready, Lion?
S, yes.
Ooh. What do you see?
I see a flower.
You're telling me, Lion. Yeah, it's a yellow flower. What do you see?
I see a flower.
That's right, Lion. It's a purple flower. What do you see?
I see flowers.
That's right, Lion. The flower is on the tree. What do you see?
I see a worm.
Telling me it is on the leaves. What do you see?
I see a bud.
That's right, Lion. It is a bud. It's almost a leaf, but not yet. What do you hear?
Water.
Good job telling me, Lion. Yeah, I hear the water. What do you hear?
Bird.
I hear a bird. What do you hear?
I hear a bird.
Nice job. It's a big bird.
Now it's your turn.
That's right. Now it's your turn to go outside in your yard, perhaps, and see what you can see with your eyes and hear with your ears, and maybe some other things. Maybe you can see what you can smell and feel with your hands. So I can't wait to hear about what you all find, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's all for now, and I'll see you next time on Speech Around the House. Bye!